I'm Tanya Duncan. I'm from Deloitte Consulting. Today I'm going to be talking to you about global controlling rollouts. And this is advice that I have, but I'm hoping that this can be an interactive discussion and we can get some engagement from the audience and you guys can provide your feedback as well. So the idea with this presentation is to talk about local and country-specific requirements and config, some SAP features that you have that could streamline your global CO rollout, key training areas and tips that I think are important, and then some global communication best practices. So to start off with a background, I work at Deloitte. I actually live here in San Diego. I just walked a few blocks to get here today, which is nice. I'm currently a CO lead on a consumer and industrial products rollout, and our global blueprint includes these countries: Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, US, Canada, Australia, and the UK. So far we've rolled out Mexico and part of the US, so I'm not as familiar about Argentina, Brazil, and so on. But I'm hoping that we can get people with varying levels of experience in the room to share some different country-specific requirements. Since last year when I gave this presentation, I wrote a book, and there's an exhibitor outside for espresso tutorials, and I wrote the book through them. So just a quick plug, it's the Essential SAP Career Guide. It's basically a guide for people starting off with their career in SAP. It goes from consulting versus industry, how to get started. So maybe it's not applicable to this audience, but you may have people, junior people that you work with that could benefit from that. Prior to working with Deloitte, I worked at Owens Corning in Ohio, and I did 2 waves where we were in Europe. We did France, Italy, and Spain, and I was really involved with the product costing team. And I went through, before I left, I was working on the US product costing rollout. So before we get started, I just want to lay some foundations on what we really mean when we talk about a global project. So first of all, obviously a global project should involve multiple countries. That's a given. It could be that your users, your local team members are not in the US, so that's going to introduce some challenges with communication and language.